and we've done it. But there are some more possibilities which can occur. So guys, these are the scenarios. So in this scenario, we have three unsolved edges. This is it. And from these, one edge cannot be solved, like no face for it is solved. This is the edge which is white and blue. So none of the sides are solved for this. For the other two edges like orange and white is solved. And for this blue and orange is solved. So the edge which cannot be solved at all, you have to keep it at the back, like behind this cube, like this. This should be behind here. So this is the left sided version, in which the unsolved edge here is in the left side. So now we have to do this algorithm, like this is L, R prime, L prime, R, and we have got this edge out. We have to replace it back there. Continue this U prime, U, R, U prime, and R prime. So this was the left sided version. So guys, this is the first case in which the right side we have to solve. Like this is the right sided version in the first case. So like I have this unsolved edge which cannot be solved in any case, like it's not already solved in any case. Here I have one solved, here I have one solved. So we have to keep this unsolved edge behind here, and here I got the right side. Here I got this unsolved edge in the right side. So you have to do this right sided algorithm, R prime, L, R, L prime. We have to replace this edge here in the green side. Continue the algorithm, U prime, L prime, U, and L. So like it was like this. The right sided version is also done. And now let's go to the next case. So guys, this is the second case in which there are two flipped edges and the third edge is solved here. This is called the two flipped edge case. And to solve this, we have to do the similar case, like you can turn this cube in any side. I'm turning it to my right side, and you have to check where the unsolved edge is into your left side or right side. Here I have the unsolved edge in my left side, so we'll do the left hand algorithm, which is we have to do this algorithm L, R prime, L prime, R. Now you have to replace this edge here. Continue U, R, U prime, and R prime. So here we return back to case number 1 and we'll solve this back. Like you might be knowing how to solve this. Here the unsolved edge which is not already solved, keep it behind. And here we have the right sided version, and you have to do the algorithm, which is R prime, L, R, L prime. We have to replace this edge here. Continue this U prime, L prime, U, and L. So this was case number 2, where we have solved the two flipped edges. And now let's proceed to the next case. So guys, this is our third case in which these edges are not placed properly for the proper colors. This is called the 3-edge cycle case. It looks like this. And to solve this, it's like similar algorithms to case 1. We'll first try the left hand algorithm, which is L, R prime, L prime, R. Replace this edge. Continue. So we return back to case 2 here. So you know how to solve this case number 2. Like these are two flipped edges. Here I turn the cube and I get this unsolved edge on the left side. Repeat the same algorithm. L, R prime, L prime, R. Continue. Here we get case 1 again. And you guys know how to solve this case 1, but I'll show it to you again. You have to keep the unsolved edge behind. Here for the remaining two edges we already have one colored solved, and here I get this unsolved edge on the right side. So you have to do the right hand algorithm. R prime, R prime, L, R, L prime. Continue.
Yeah, boy.
And we have successfully solved the 3 by 3 Pyraminx cube. So I hope you liked this tutorial and found this tutorial helpful. And if you found this helpful, please like this video, share it with all your friends and family. And one thing, do not forget to subscribe to my channel Lcuber. Till then, take care and bye bye. We'll see in another video where we'll solve another magnanimous cube. Till then, take care, keep watching, keep cubing.